Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to get My AI on Snapchat. So My AI is something that Snapchat has integrated in their system in accordance to keeping up with ChatGPT. So basically My AI is someone that you can chat in order to provide you something that makes it basically like ChatGPT integrated in Snapchat. So in order to get My AI, you need to have a Snapchat Plus membership. Remember, that's very vital. So as you can see here, according to Snapchat support, My AI will be a friendly personal sidekick for Snapchat users accessible within the Snapchat app. However, you need to get the Snapchat Plus first before using that. So in order to get the Snapchat Plus, you just need to head over to Snapchat, and once you're in here, you just need to go over to your profile right there. Just click that. And once you're in there, you will see here the Snapchat Plus option. Just click that. And around in here at the bottom, you can see all the prices that they offer to you. However, subscribing is currently not available to me right now, but it will be available to you. So once you've decided on what plan you want, if you want it monthly or annually, you just need to click on that and click the subscribe button. After you've been subscribed, My AI friend will appear to your chat option. So in here is our chat inbox. Just click that and My AI will appear right here. He can be pinned, but you can also see him right here, and you will message them in order to get all your AI perks. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.